Make a basic worrywurm with me. Make a slip knot and chain 30. Join the two ends with a slip stitch to make a circle. Chain 25 again. Skip the first 2 chains and work for double crochet. In the 3rd chain, in the next 21 stitches, work for double crochet in each. Now shape the worm by rolling it in. In the last stitch, crochet 1 double crochet, 2 half double crochets, and 1 single crochet. Finish by making a chain and cutting the yarn. Now weave in the ends. Now you can thread the wooden bead onto the worm. For the hat, make a magic ring chain 2 and make 11 double crochet into the ring. Now pull the ring tied and close the round with a slip stitch. Now chain to this round we work in half double crochet, increasing every second stitch. Close the round with a slip stitch and chain 1. Now working in the front loop only. 1 single crochet in every stitch. Again, close the round with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn weave in the ends. Now place the hat on top. To finish our worryworm, glue the hat and the head on with hot glue. If you want, you can bow a tie around his neck. Finished!